If you want to avoid all the noise of the Blue Willow chat rooms when you're creating your AI art on this new Blue Willow platform, you can actually just message the bot directly. And here's how you do it. You want to bring up a generation where you can see the Blue Willow bot name, and you want to click on that and go View Profile. You can then send the bot a message, and you'll notice I've already done that here because I discovered this yesterday. But all you need to do is that process, and now you can type in your prompt and start making images privately by messaging the Blue Willow bot directly. On phone, it looks a little bit different. Instead of pressing the Blue Willow name, we press the little ID photo next to it, the blue tree, and then you'll see there a option to message. And that will take you into the DMs, and you can type in your prompt. You can now come into your direct messages anytime and send the bot a message directly and generate your art that way. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please consider giving it a like. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.